Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do another recipe out of this cocktail book, the 1937 Café Royale cocktail book. This is the Coronation edition, the only edition that was ever printed. It was only printed once in 1937, although there are reprints from the 1980s in paperback that you can get your hands on. An excellent cocktail book and sort of a turning point cocktail book in that there are a lot of, vodka, a lot of vodka cocktails, and a lot of tequila cocktails. So today we're going to do another tequila cocktail, because I like tequila, and it's called the Juano. Now, I'm making two cocktails, so I'm doubling the amounts, but this was a very small cocktail to begin with. So Campari is the first component. Then asks for French Vermouth, and I'm using Bianco, which I really like the flavor of. And then finally, some tequila. There we go. Ice or tin. Give it a shake. Now, beyond shake, there's no indication of the glassware, so I've got Nick and Nora's. Very classic 1930s cocktail glass. And let's see if I can double strain. It's a really nice color. And there you have the 1937 Juano.
Juano. Okay. Hi, friends.
I'm going to say it's a tequila negroni. It's very close.
Okay.
It's very close to a negroni in that it's 3 ingredients: Campari, vermouth, and then the alcohol, in this case, is tequila. So, let's give it a go. Beautiful color. Huh. I generally don't like Negronis.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
I'm not sure I do. I think I would try it with a different tequila.
In the fridge. Let me just disappear into the fridge for a moment.
Okay. I'll cue the waiting music.
Huh. Where did that go? Oh, there it is. Negroni. So, I don't know how long ago. Quite a while ago.
The things in the fridge.
Quite a while ago, I did Negronis, and one of the things that, there's a bar here in Toronto that, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, we went to a TIFF party. We sat at the bar with Heather.
Oh, yeah.
And they had Negronis on tap. And it was the only time I ever had a Negroni that I liked. So I thought maybe the idea for a Negroni is to let it sit for a while so that the flavors come together.
Oh, so this is your Negroni experiment we've got going here?
This has been in the fridge for probably 2 years now.
Oh, my goodness. Well,
I will go back and link to the video where I actually made that Negroni. 2 years in the fridge.
It's very sweet.
Huh.
This one has a richer flavor to it. It could be what you used in it.
Well, it's a sweet vermouth instead of, we used a, this time I used a semi-sweet or a off-dry, depending on where you fall in the, I don't know, a 2-year-old Negroni. I kind of like a 2-year-old Negroni. Do you think I could make Negronis and leave them in the fridge in a big enough jar that I could wait 2 years?
The other question I have is, does it need to stay in the fridge?
Yes. It does need to
Otherwise,
stay in the
it would be like the perfect camping drink.
Well, I mean, you could
because you can't chill things, right?
No.
So that's always the issue.
Anyway, back to the Tijuana. Tijuano. I kind of like that. I do kind of like that.
I don't know. It's for me. In the same way that I'm not a Negroni. It's okay.
I think with a sweeter vermouth, it would be too cloying. And I think that with a dry vermouth, it would be too bitter.
Okay. So for you, it's perfect. For me,
it's
I would
perfect.
order a different drink.
There you go, 50-50. Thanks for stopping by, and see you again soon.